Good morning. Today we have three different objectives for this lesson. So the first thing we're going to do is work on organizing the equations. Second one, is I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off the equations and change the color of the lines. And then the last one, which is the main one, is to find the point of intersection of two different lines. All right, so first thing, to organize the equations, get rid of that. So here is a list of all the equations. If it will load, guess it's not going to load. So we have function a, which is y equals negative 2x plus 5. So here's this first equation here. All right, instead of writing it as y equals to help us better keep track of it, we're just going to use something called function notation. That's just, for this, it's just going to be an easier way for us to kind of keep track of which is function A, which is function B, which is function C, and so on. All right. So you have your list of equations typed up like this. They might have different colors. That's fine. I just made these all to black just for simplicity right now. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go through and organize the equations. So first equation, a of x equals negative 2x plus 5. Second one, function b, y equals 3 over 2x minus 6. So we'll just change that to b of x equals, and so on. All right, change this one to function c. Function d. The next one after that, we have f, g, h, and j. So f, g, f, g, h, and then last one's j. All right, so now we have our all of our different equations organized. Now to turn on the equation, to turn it off, if you just click on the button, turns it on, turns it off. All right, if you want to do a little more with it, go back to the default setting here. If you want to do a little more with it, if you click and hold, it'll give you the option to change different colors, and then to also change the kind of what the line looks like. All right. Then the last objective, the last thing that we're trying to figure out here is to find the intersection, the point that would be located at the intersection of two different lines. All right. So for this, we're going to look at, we'll just look at A and B. So to make it simple for us, so we know exactly where we're trying to look, turn off all the other lines with the exception of A and B. All right, so then if you just kind of zoom in, you can use your touch screen, however you want to do it. And then if you just click right on the, where the two lines are crossing, you'll get a gray point, and then it'll give you the coordinates of the point. All right, so intersection of A and B would be at the point 3.143 as the x value and negative 1.286 as the y value. All right, if we wanted to look at the intersection of, let's say, equation B, function B, and function D. All right, we've got to zoom back out, find where it is, click on the point, and we can see, the coordinates of the intersection point. All right, there you go.